vaccines continue to roll out across the country, Alabama is one of several states getting a boost in its vaccination efforts. Starting tomorrow, some CVS locations begin offering the Pfizer vaccine at its pharmacies. WAY 31's Will Robinson-Smith explains why the 9 sites were selected and the impact that this could have on the community.
This CVS pharmacy here in Moulton is unique because for now, it's the only location here in North Alabama that will be offering the COVID-19 vaccine in-house.
Many of the sites we did select are definitely rural communities that don't have access to a lot of healthcare centers or otherwise ways to get the COVID-19 vaccination.
Across the state, only 9 CVS pharmacies were selected for the initial vaccine rollout in Alabama. CVS Regional Director Dan Newsom says it's not just the rural nature of some of the counties selected, but their demographic makeup that drove the decision.
We're absolutely looking to serve underserved communities, in particular Black and Hispanic communities and patient populations. And that was part of the decision for which locations were selected, in addition to underserved communities from a healthcare standpoint as well.
Hearing that was a goal of CVS was welcome news for Lawrence County NAACP President Bobby Diggs.
The underserved areas or the minority areas, there's already a health deficiency. And the more you can target those areas, the better.
He and other members of the NAACP have been pushing out information on the vaccine over the last several weeks and helping to shuttle people to places like the Lawrence County Health Department to get their shots.
And we're asking, people to even check on your elders. People that are qualified and eligible to receive the vaccine, we're asking them to check on your elders, make sure they're aware. And if they don't have a ride or whatever, hey, let us know.
But even if you know, getting the vaccine may still be tricky. Before 5:30 Wednesday evening, all of the week's appointments at the Moulton site were already booked. CVS didn't have a specific breakdown of how many vaccines the Moulton location receives weekly, but says they hope to increase the 11,700 weekly doses for the state as the process continues.
As soon as we get more allocation, we anticipate opening even more counties and locations for eligible patients.
Officials with CVS also say that you can't make a call to a specific CVS location in order to make an appointment for a vaccination. You also can't just show up on any given day and hope to get a shot because you'll be out of luck. Reporting in Moulton, Will Robinson-Smith, WAY 31 News.
To make an appointment, you can either use the CVS Pharmacy app or its website. Those without access to the internet can also call 1-800-746-7287 to set up an appointment.